In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with Suno AI in just 5 minutes. Now, whether you're an aspiring musician or just someone who loves to experiment with tunes, Suno AI provides an easy-to-use platform that can help you create music in no time. So, let's dive in and explore the process step by step. To begin with, you'll want to head over to the official Suno website. It's the central hub where all the magic happens. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to create your account. You have the option of using your Google account or simply your email address. This process is fairly straightforward and will get you set up to start using Suno's features right away. Once you're logged in, you'll be delighted to know that you receive 50 free credits every day. With these credits, you can produce around 10 songs daily. It's a fantastic opportunity to get your creative juices flowing without any initial investment. Now, let's start creating some music. Once you're signed in, look for and click on the Create tab. This is your starting point to bring your musical ideas to life. Suno offers a few different modes to suit your style and preference. You can choose between simple mode, custom mode, and instrumental or pure music mode. Each mode presents a unique set of options tailored to different needs. Whether you're looking for ready-to-use templates or want more control over each musical element, after selecting your preferred mode, it's time to hit the Create button. Once you do this, Suno will work its magic and typically generate 2 distinct versions of your song within a few minutes. It's amazing how quickly it can translate your inputs into music. Now, the fun part. Listening to the tracks generated by Suno. This platform allows you to preview and enjoy the creative output, but remember, music made with a free account is meant for non-commercial use. It's perfect for personal projects or simply exploring your musical ideas without a commercial intent. That wraps up our quick guide on working with Suno AI. Remember, practice makes perfect, so take those credits and experiment with different sounds and styles. With continuing exploration, you never know what musical masterpieces you'll create. Thanks for joining me today, and happy music making.